Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy Yema. We'll cover the simple ingredients needed, walk through the cooking process step by step, and share essential tips to achieve that perfect, smooth texture. Get ready to create a delightful Filipino treat that's sure to impress everyone with its rich, sweet flavor and irresistible creaminess. Let's get started on this sweet journey together. To make creamy Yema, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 4 to 7 egg yolks, which give Yema its signature rich color and flavor. You'll also need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, forming the sweet, creamy base. For an extra smooth texture, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract will perfectly enhance the overall sweet and custardy taste. Now let's get cooking. First, combine your egg yolks, condensed milk, and butter in a non-stick pan. Cook this mixture over low to medium-low heat, making sure to stir continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent scorching and ensure even cooking. Continue stirring for about 7 to 20 minutes until the mixture thickens significantly and begins to pull away from the sides of the pan. Patience is key here for that perfect consistency. Achieving that signature creamy Yema texture is all about technique. Always use a whisk or spatula to stir, ensuring even cooking and preventing any lumps. It's important to remove the mixture from the heat just as it thickens. Overcooking can lead to a dry, crumbly texture. Stir in your vanilla extract after cooking for the best flavor. Finally, allow the Yema to cool completely before shaping it or using it as a spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.